Alright people, my new setup. Visual charge status. This is my newest pack. I'm taking these, which is 10 boards, and condensing them down into double-sided boards. So now it's just 5 boards, cell on each side. And then we get to the top, you have your meter. This one here lets you know the charge status of this set of boards on this side. And then this one here shows you the charge status of this set of boards in each cell. Charge state. Ain't that sweet? At a glance, I can tell what each pack, and of course I have a Bluetooth BMS, which you see the Bluetooth right here. And here's the balancer connected. That's going to let me, manage the settings, plus it lets me to check it on a Bluetooth app, which is pretty nice. It is completely settable. You can program your parameters high and low. This is how I used to do it, which you got one of these cell meters here, and you have to go over here and you get to push the cell meter and switch cell to cell to cell. And then you got to switch it to the other wire, which checks this bank, or you can log into the Bluetooth BMS. So this is just another way to kind of, visually quickly check both sets of these batteries, which is, series together, as you can see right here, front and back. Now this right here is not hot on these posts, but I just use these to make it into one pack. And this up here has got, that bridge together. So starts out your negative, positive, negative, positive, and then there's your wire going to my bus bar. So eventually I'm gonna take all these down and I'm breaking them into 5 and 5 instead of 10 and 10. And then that's gonna give me boards to where I can actually come out here, and I've already gotten some cells I'm gonna try to have 8 total. So I had 4, which I got that and converted, and I just got to put the meters on top of that one, and then I got to convert this one, and then this one's converted and it's ready to go. And I rebalanced all the cells, ran through e-packer, or repacker rather, and seems to be doing pretty good. So I'm gonna put another one right here, and then I'm gonna put 4 more right behind them. Should have a pretty good setup by then. And then if that's not enough energy, then I'm gonna just, I'll have to clear out my shelf, which right now is quite a mess, but I've been kind of doing some other projects and throwing crap around. But I'm gonna move everything over, and then I'll add another board like this one here, add some more bus bars. But anyways, that's my update. New visual. Just a quick look, and you know pretty much your battery states. And it starts out in the front. That's 1 through 7. And of course this is switchable, which I'll probably eventually do away with this and just wire it straight across, because I'm not sure why you would want to shut it off unless you was going to maybe use it for something other than 7S. And then of course these have little 4-amp fuses for each individual setup. So good luck, and you guys keep making power walls.